As you might have already guessed, I too started my own YouTube channel exactly a week back, on April 25, 2023. Well, let me tell you, the reasons why people start a YouTube channel are as varied and confusing as trying to understand the plot of a Christopher Nolan movie. Maybe it's because they want to share their passion for stamp collecting with the world, or maybe they just want to prove to their ex that they're not as boring as they thought. Or maybe, just maybe, they started their channel as an elaborate scheme to finally get their goldfish to pay attention to them. Who knows? And who can blame them? Starting a YouTube channel is like winning the lottery, if the lottery only paid you in comments from strangers and the occasional sponsorship deal for teeth whitening strips. Plus, who doesn't love spending hours editing videos just to get 20 views from your mom and your best friend's cat? Well, let me tell you, the reason why I started my YouTube channel is as clear as mud. Maybe it was because I saw a video where a guy made millions of dollars by using social media, or maybe it was because I was bored out of my mind on a lazy weekend and thought, hey, why not become the next big thing on the internet? And let's be real here, who needs to put in actual effort when you have AI to do all the work for you? It's like having a personal butler, except instead of fetching your slippers, it fetches you views and subscribers. Wait, is that true? We'll find out soon. So, armed with my newly created channel and a logo that looked like it was designed by a 5-year-old, I dove headfirst into the world of content creation. Over the last week, I've been a content creating machine, pumping out videos on every topic under the sun. Well, except for that pesky astrophysics. I mean, who needs to understand the mysteries of the universe when you can make videos about how to properly fold a fitted sheet? I mean, sure, it might not be enough to buy a solid gold toilet like the big-time YouTubers, but hey, it's a start. Typically, you'd learn from YouTubers who promise to make you swim in a pool of money like Scrooge McDuck, but here, you've got a content creator who is still learning the ropes. In the next episodes, I'll spill the beans on my struggles, failures, and lessons learned. For starters, my first week of YouTubing, if that's even a word, has taught me the exact opposite of what those get-rich-quick videos preach. If you're looking to start a YouTube channel, the first and most important step is figuring out why you want to do it. This will impact everything from your channel name, content, and description to the tools you use. Don't get caught up in the how just yet, focus on the why first. Knowing your motivation will help you stay focused and create content that resonates with your audience. So, take some time to think about why you're doing this, and the rest will fall into place. In the next episode, I'll talk about how I created my channel, picked the name and description, designed a logo that may not make Michelangelo jealous, and set up my channel. And let's not forget about all the AI tools I used. So, buck up and get ready for some truth bombs, some laughs, and maybe even a few tears, probably from all the failed attempts at making my logo look decent.